In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable with Slack. If you want your team to stay updated automatically whenever something happens in Airtable, this setup can be a great time saver. By connecting Airtable with Slack through Airtable's built-in automations, you can send updates directly into Slack and keep communication flowing without needing to manually copy information over. To get started, go to Airtable and open the base where you want to create the integration. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and looking at the right base before you continue, because the automation will be tied to whatever base you set it up in. Once you're inside the base, click on Automations. This is where Airtable lets you build workflows that respond to changes or events automatically. If you haven't used automations before, think of this area as the control center for creating actions that happen in the background. Next, click on Create New. Airtable may show you a few options for what you want to create, so choose Automation. This opens a new automation workflow where you'll define what should happen and when it should happen. After that, click on Add Trigger. The trigger is the event that starts the automation. In other words, this is what tells Airtable when it should send something to Slack. You'll then need to make your selection for the trigger type. Choose the option that matches the event you want to monitor in Airtable. For example, this could be based on a record being created, updated, or meeting certain conditions. It's worth taking a moment here to choose carefully, because the trigger determines how useful and accurate your Slack notifications will be. Once your trigger is in place, click on Add Advanced Logic or Action. This is where you tell Airtable what to do after the trigger happens. From the available options, click on Slack. Selecting Slack means your automation will use Slack as the destination for the update or message. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Airtable will guide you through connecting your Slack account if it hasn't been connected yet, choosing the appropriate Slack workspace or channel, and configuring the message details. As you go through this part, pay close attention to the preview or message formatting so the final notification is clear and easy for your team to understand. Once everything is configured, review the setup carefully before turning the automation on. A quick check now can help prevent unnecessary alerts or messages going to the wrong channel. And that's it. You've successfully started the process of integrating Airtable with Slack using Airtable automations.